Hi everybody, it's Robbie here from CodeDriver app, and today I want to give you a quick walkthrough of the latest update that we have for you on CodeDriver app. It's Friday the 3rd of February, and this update has just been uploaded onto iTunes today, so you should have it in the next week or so on your handset, depending on what area you're in. So let's just quickly open up the CodeDriver app by pressing the icon and tap the main screen here to activate. And let's just go back out to the main screen here for a minute. So when you open up the app, if this is your very first time, this is the main screen that you're going to see. Right now I'm going to open up a saved event, and the event that we normally run on, that I gave a demonstration on last week, was Monte Carlo. Let's just quickly open up Monte Carlo, and if we go to the bottom left hand corner and click on the event manager, it's going to open up the times that we've already entered for this event. Now the main difference in this one is that we now have a side swipe feature on the screen. So if I was to add in another competitor, car number, let's say car number 10, press add car number, you can see how I can now scroll sideways instead of pressing the orange arrows. Now another important addition to the main event manager page is when I click on the number of the car, I can now enter in the name of the driver. So let's just put in Seb Loeb on this one. It's been a long time since he's been number 10 on the road, but that's the example I just wanted to show you there. So the amount of characters that you can now put in on the name field is between 10 and 13. It works really well with 10 characters, but it can take a maximum up to 13. So again, if I sideswipe to the right, it's going to bring me back to my original entries, and I can go back in and click on number 3, and I can enter in a name for number 3. And just press the done button and it gets entered. And again for number 4, just type on the number. You can press clear to clear it out completely, pressing the number again. I'm all thumbs this morning. And once you pressed done, you can see how it enters in the name of the driver just underneath the car number. Now you can keep entering in the car numbers, because what happens is it slots in the car numbers in order, and it also will do that with the names. So that is the main addition I wanted to show you with that. There's also been a bug fix that we've improved on this version, and that's for the milliseconds and the seconds. So right now you can see it's in the seconds mode, and if I was to switch it into milliseconds by going back here and turning on the bottom tab and pressing done, and then you go back and you can see how the milliseconds are showing up. So that's pretty much it for this update of CodeDriver app. We've got one major update coming again in the next couple of weeks, and then in May we've got a totally radical addition to the app, something that we've been working on since the very beginning, but because of the complications of it, it's taken a long time for it to come, and I'm really looking forward to telling you about that. Now finally, before we go on this video, I want to show you, for those people using the app for the very first time for the new event, just to show you a quick reminder. If we go to the main screen, select new event, let's enter in an event that's running in Ireland this weekend. It's Galway International Rally. Galway International, select done. The first time that you open up a new event, I want you to go to your settings, and I want you to synchronize the app time with the rally time by selecting on the main time screen up on top, zeroing out the seconds and milliseconds, adjusting it to the minute of the rally time, and then when rally time clock is counting down to 13:41:00, as soon as it syncs with 00, you select the done button, and now you've synchronized the time on the app to the exact second of rally time. So make sure you do that the very first time that you open up the app on a new event, and that's going to hold that synchronized time into that particular event, regardless of whether you come out of the app, put it into standby mode, or whatever else you want to do. And of course, if you do find that the rally time clock adjusts during the event, you can also readjust the app time to correspond with that. That's all for now. See you in the next video, and good luck to everybody on the stages using CodeDriver app.